Hello friends, in this video, I will show how to create a team meeting links from Outlook. So let's start. At first, go to the Windows search bar and type Outlook and click for Outlook opening. After opening Microsoft Outlook, then click on Calendar. We can see all scheduled meetings showing in Outlook calendar, date-wise. I have some regular meetings in Outlook, which you are showing. Let's see, how can we create a team meeting link from here? Click down arrows key, beside New Mail Options, and click on Event. Now, you can see, all scheduled team meeting, beside Outlook calendar, for this date. If I go to the next day, then next day all scheduled meeting is showing. Now I create my meeting details and title. Remember, we must be enable team meetings options for create meeting ID and password, which will be sent with invitations. Now, invite attendance, search name, or type mail ID. We can keep optional participants for attend our meetings. You can also share meeting link in another way, as per your communication channel. Now, most important thing, select your available time and date for your meeting. Try to avoid conflict your schedule time and date. Here is also all day long meeting options. If you need, you can enable this options. Before sending invitation, you need to check, add, or remove attendance for your meetings. Click on Send, and all participant received an invitation mail. Event created. Now check your mail or Outlook calendar for your created scheduled meetings. Select date, and you can see meeting title and topic. If we expand, then we can see meeting link, password, and other customizing options for meetings. Now I will join this meeting. After checking camera and microphone status, click Join Now. For testing purposes, I join, and now leave this meeting. If we wanted to cancel this meeting, then click right button on meeting topic, and click Delete. Confirm, delete event. Event deleted, and remove meeting from Outlook calendar. I hope you can understand. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.